Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my version of makeup. I am Himanii and I am a professional makeup artist. So आज के इस वीडियो में मैं सिखाने वाली हूँ आप लोगों को how to do nose contour if you are a beginner into makeup. I am sure we all long for that sharp long nose जिससे हमारे features बहुत अच्छे और सुंदर दिखते हैं, but not every one of us is blessed with a sharp nose. But don't worry, it's very simple and anyone often can achieve that simple trick to have that sharp nose. So without any further delays, I'm jumping directly into the video. Stay with me, stay tuned, and I hope you like it. It's a very simple technique guys. Do try it at home and let me know in the comment section कि आप ये contour कर पाए या नहीं. So let's begin. I am using the color corrector palette from Forever 52 and this is my most used palette these days. It has almost all shades to correct and conceal skin flaws. So I am taking very little of the dark contour color on the edges of my fingers and applying it downwards, starting from the beginning of my nose. And you will see that the dark contour lines are created on the sides of my nose. On the center, I am taking little bit of light color corrector and applying it on the bridge of the nose and bending it to avoid any harsh impressions. I am also blending any sharp lines on the sides of my nose as I just need a shadowy effect to give the illusion of a sharp nose. Now I am packing it with translucent powder so that the product does not move from its place. I have used powder brush. If you want, you can use a sponge also. Just remember to take very little. This step is really important to make the product stay in place, and that's it. You can see my nose looks sharper than before within few minutes and just 2 products. Thank you for watching me and let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a video on any specific topic. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.